Hello guys, and how's it going? Alex Grampion here, and here we've got another video on the servicing of the Audi A5. So we've got the air filter. As you can see, there's the part number. It's also in the description below, and the link as well is there for the cheapest one that I found. So this is part of the full service, but I'm only doing this quick video in case you just want to know how to replace the air filter and where it is. So if that is something you're after, please join in and let's get started. So to replace the air filter, like I said, the part number and the product will be in the description below. You got the link there. You will need to remove this cover. So this is the airbox they got here. You got 6 screws holding it in. They Torx, and that gives me perfect opportunity to open my new Draper socket set. And this set will be in the description below as well. Really handy stuff, guys. You probably already know that I use quite a lot of Draper tools, and just wanted to show you this kit that I got. I just bought it a couple of weeks ago. So they're brilliant tools. You got all the sockets, you need the deep ones and the short ones as well. So that's what we're going to need today. I'm going to show you how to get to it. So like I say, you got 6 screws there. They Torx 30. So we got that on the extension here already. But I do recommend taking this hose off first, the air hose, because there is one of the screws under it. You can get to it, but there's no point of damaging the thread. So just undo this with the flat blade screwdriver. Pop that off, make sure nothing falls in there. And like I said, Torx 30, you can get to it there. So that just comes off. Don't forget you got the plug there, so just leave it on there, just move it out of the way. And here we got the old filter. As you can see, it's getting quite dirty, and all this dirt will restrict the airflow, which is not going to provide enough air to your engine to work properly. So just get rid of this, and any rubbish that you find in there, please make sure you pick it up and get rid of it. In case you want to make it easier for yourself to get rid of all the stuff if you haven't got a hoover, you can also take the box out of there, but for that you will need to disconnect the vacuum hose that you got there. Use a flat blade screwdriver, and there's also a plug under the box that you need to tip it to the side and get to it, unplug it first. So for that you might need a flat blade screwdriver as well, just to pop it off. And the box should come out now. While we're here, just to show you how this plug works, all you have to do is push the tab down and it lifts a bit here up, and then you can slide it off. So now that it's all clean, I've installed it back on there. We're ready to fit the new air filter. As you can see, it's nice and clean, correct size, make sure it fits in there properly. And now you're ready to put the box back on. Now with these screws, they usually stay in the plastic bit, they don't usually fall out, which helps. Just make sure they're nice and straight, and we're ready to do them up again. And don't forget obviously to put your air hose back on and do it up. So I hope you enjoyed the quick video on the air filter replacement. If you did, do comment below, subscribe to the channel and give us a like. Have a good day. See you later.